Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect crypto. Com to bank, updated. Open the crypto. Com app and sign in, then tap transfer and choose withdraw to start a bank link. Add your bank details exactly as they appear on your statement, select account type, and submit. Watch for 2 microdeposits under $1 to confirm ownership and enter those amounts to complete verification securely and quickly. After initiating a bank link, you should monitor your bank for 2 microdeposits, then return to the app and enter those amounts to verify. If deposits do not arrive within a few business days, contact your bank and check routing numbers. Always use a stable internet connection and keep screenshots of confirmations until verification completes. These steps reduce delays and protect your funds while connecting your account safely. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy reading while waiting for transfers, try the new Kindle Paperwhite for crisp text and waterproof pourability. It fits in a bag and lasts weeks on a single charge, so you can read guides and updates while on the go. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If your bank link fails, double-check routing and account numbers, then retry the process. For international accounts, expect extra paperwork or SWIFT details that extend setup time. Contact Crypto.com support with screenshots if errors persist, and confirm with your bank that they accept deposits from crypto platforms. Keep withdrawal limits in mind and factor any bank processing times into your plans to avoid surprises when moving funds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.